ProZone is best channel for product reviews. We are giving 100% perfect reviews after use any product. So, subscribe our channel and click on the bell button. Then you will be first to know when we post new videos. Rapid egg cooker, 6 egg capacity electric egg cooker for hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or omelets with auto shut-off feature. Satisfaction guaranteed. Rapid egg cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market. For perfect eggs, your way, every time, we guarantee it. Quick plus easy, short on time? Simply choose your preferred eggs and set the timer. The auto shut-off function prevents overcooking, and the buzzer will alert you when your eggs are ready. It's so simple, even your kids can use it. Versatile, this is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Compact plus lightweight, weighing 1 pound, the Rapid egg cooker is your must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper RV traveling. Plus, its sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Bonus, all included accessories fit inside, taking up even less space. Includes, Rapid egg cooker is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes a poaching tray, omelet tray, 6 egg holder tray, measuring cup, recipe book and recipe database access. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. Link available in description. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for get instant access of new upcoming videos.